Hello, friends. Okay, what I'm going to be messing around with today, and I've already started this little project 'cause I really thought it was just a normal bad coil on the 3.0 Escape. It's 2004. But as I was working, I started finding other issues that were that are probably causing my coil and misfire on. It usually says like misfire cylinder 5, misfire cylinder 6. I've replaced coil after coil after coil, and I'm finally to the point where I'm saying it's time to search for some other things that are going on here. So let's see if I can get this to where you can actually see what's happening here. But now I found this is the wires hooks to 4, 5, and 6. I already worked on number 6. I've taken the wires were actually heated and melted together somewhat, not a lot, just a little. So I separated them and taped them back up, and then I noticed partly down the harness a spot that was heat destroyed. So I mean, it's just breaking up. You know, it should not break up that easy. And then once I got that off, I got to noticing that some of these wires are stuck together. Okay, it's not all the way through the coating, but anytime you have a wire that is partially stuck to another one, that means there is a breakdown in the plastic coating on the wire, and you very possibly could get a short, and it very possibly could cause a misfire. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get these cleaned up a little better and show you basically my hillbilly fix, because I can't afford $1,000 wiring harness. Okay, this is just going to be a quick one. I wanted you to see about these wires actually fused together. Now look here. It takes quite a bit of effort to separate them. Okay, and when you take that much effort to separate two wires that are laying side by side, there is definitely some breakdown in that coating. There very possibly this could be the reason you're getting your misfire on a cylinder. It's not always a coil, which I've made a mistake myself of just replacing coil after coil after coil. It could very well be wiring issues. I don't know if that's glue or if it's the wiring, the coating on the wiring, but I see a lot of little spots on the wiring. I don't know if you can see them right here or not. Right there. Just to show you my case in point, look right here. Now, look at this. There's the coating off another wire. Right there. And right here it is. There was my misfire. It might have just been some glue on here. I don't know. But I really don't think it's glue. But yeah, boy, look at that. I hope you can see this. But right there could very well be where I was getting my misfire, because this is my number 6 where I was getting my misfire. So I guess I'm gonna get out the ball tape and start taping and see what I can come up with. Yeah, I just want to make sure that everybody understands this is my own personal vehicle. I wouldn't be doing this to a vehicle that I work on for anybody else, not this way. Basically, I'm doing a temporary fix till I can find the proper wiring harness to fix this the way it needs to be done. You know, I'm not doing a correct job. It's just, like I say, it's to get by until I can find a wiring harness or a section of a wiring harness that will take care of this issue. You know, I might be able to just buy a section, wire it or splice it in, but you can splice wiring harnesses together in a way that it will last the life of a vehicle. I don't like splicing. I really don't like taping this stuff together. But again, like I say, you know, right now I don't have any other choice. Don't have the wiring harness. I've checked around, and the wiring harnesses that I can find actually look to be worse than what I've got. So we'll be back in a minute, see if this thing will run and see if we've got rid of the misfire. Okay, got the miss out of the escape. I eventually wound up having to change the coil, put a coil on that came off here. Video was a while back, cylinder number 5, but the wiring was part of the issue. Keep losing this coil and this coil. Those two keep going out. I'm thinking it is the wiring issue. So right now I've got it a temporary fix. I do have to find a wiring harness. Now, you know, anybody can do this. And there's a lot of good channels here on YouTube. Brian's Mobile's one that I started out watching as far as the car fixes. And then I went to Eric the Car Guy also. Hey, these guys, they know their stuff. You need to check them out. Hey, if you get a chance, check out my channel a little more. For now though, hey, I've got to say, you know, get up off the couch. Let's, you and me, do something. Let's get some grime under a fingernail. See y'all in the next video. Have a good one.